Living in the shadow of Mount Etna is about more than just coexisting with a volcano. When the mountain stirs, the sky can transform into a terrifying sight. The sun seems to vanish, the air fills with the pungent stench of sulfur, and a layer of ash blankets streets, vehicles, homes, and even laundry hanging out to dry. For residents living near Etna, an eruption is not merely a spectacular natural display. It is a threat that slowly infiltrates daily life. Like a nightmare, that is the most apt description of the atmosphere when an ash cloud hangs low over the settlements. From a distance, the mountain, usually a familiar backdrop to everyday life, transforms into a source of anxiety. The booming sounds and rumbling from the crater leave people wondering, will this end soon? Or is it the start of something far worse? Volcanic ash falls like unwanted rain. Particles seep through window gaps, cling to roofs, and coat yards and streets. Parked vehicles quickly change color. Every step outdoors produces a crunching sound as shoes tread upon the layer of ash. During the day, the atmosphere can turn gray and gloomy. The sun, which should light the way, appears dim behind the haze of ash. Visibility drops, and the surroundings feel alien, as if a usually vibrant town has suddenly been trapped in a colorless world. For some residents, the fear does not end when they close their doors. Fine ash can penetrate vents and building crevices. They must clean their homes repeatedly, even as fresh layers of ash continue to accumulate outside. Daily life is disrupted. Outdoor activities become difficult, and schools and public services can also be affected. Volcanoes never truly offer certainty. A mountain may appear calm for hours, only to suddenly spew hot material from the Earth's depths. Streams of glowing red lava cascading down the slopes might look beautiful from afar, but for those living nearby, that fiery red glow serves as a reminder of nature's uncontrollable power. Etna is one of the world's most active volcanoes. Its activity has been part of Sicily's history for millennia. Local communities have learned to coexist with it. They understand its signs and have established monitoring systems to mitigate risks. When sirens wail and ash begins to fall, humans remain in the same position, small and powerless before the towering giant. Homes, vehicles, roads, and routines built over years can suddenly seem fragile. Most unsettling is how disaster slowly transforms ordinary daily life into something terrifying. Stepping out the front door means facing a darkened sky. Driving means pushing through a veil of volcanic ash. Breathing outdoors triggers anxiety about invisible particles. Even a distant rumble can bring conversations to an abrupt halt. Amidst the blanket of ash covering everything, residents must also battle fatigue. Clearing away ash is not a task that can be finished in one go. After a yard is swept, ash may fall again. After a vehicle is washed, its surface becomes dirty once more. After a house is cleaned, fine dust can reappear. And as night falls, fear can intensify. In the darkness, the red glow of volcanic activity is clearly visible from a distance. The mountain looming over the settlements looks like a giant that has just awakened. Every sound of an eruption serves as a reminder that something far greater than humanity is stirring beneath the Earth's surface. Yet, life must go on. Residents continue to work, care for their families, clean their homes, and strive to maintain their routines amidst this extraordinary situation. They have learned to accept the reality that Mount Etna is part of the land they call home, a neighbor that is both beautiful and dangerous. To outsiders, an eruption of Etna might appear as a mesmerizing natural spectacle. Images of glowing lava flows and towering plumes of smoke can look truly spectacular.